Are at Roger Gamble State Park, the oceanside part of it. Are we doing any contest today or just fishing? Just fishing?
I don't know. I was thinking about ways that I could get you back.
Okay.
And if I win, like I'm gonna make you like do like ballerina twirls and be like I'm a pretty princess. But I thought that would, you know, go against your manhood.
No, I do that normally without being asked.
I do that every night before I go to bed.
Okay, and the same for you. You'll have to do the same thing.
Okay.
All right. Every night I go to bed. Is that what you said?
Yep.
But luckily, Roger Gamble, you can just go right over to the inshore, intracoastal by the river. Let me show you a shortcut this way. All right, let's get to fishing. How'd you do that?
Stepped on a rock.
Aw, you all right?
I don't know.
You want me to pee on it? How big of a cut is it?
Not that, like that.
Yeah? Is it bleeding a lot?
A little bit. A lot. It's deep.
All I can do is go home and fix it.
No,
Huh?
we're fishing.
Apply pressure and then fish bites.
I packed it with fish bites, doctor.
The shrimp kind. I should probably take a look at it. Or,
You gonna be able to see it?
I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Hello, Kelly.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna take my
Cut my foot off
this braided line here and a hook
and sew
and
it.
then sew it.
That'd be a good video. I want. We need to get her wound taken care of.
Are we going?
Yeah, got to get her pulse.
Yeah. There's a fish on here. I'm keeping it. If I can reel it in. All right, we'll have to call this one to be continued.
Yes.
Till next time.
I feel bad though.
Oh, don't, man. You can't help it. Other than
I know, but
you need shoes,
I got shoes in the truck.
like a heathen.
Really. Gardener.
A gardener heathen. No shoes. All right, till next time. This is part 2 of the little contest that we had going on, right, Jen?
Yep.
So right now, we have no fish. What is it? What'd you do? What'd you do? Buy that at a store?
In my bag.
The ladyfish?
Careful.
It's a fish. I think it's ladyfish? The one that bit me. Yum, 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 yum. Whoop. Son of a bitch. All right. You're on the board. Well, Jen got that ladyfish or bluefish or whatever it was. We're going to head into the river. So it's the bridge, high bridge is just down that way a little bit. And this is just almost like a canal. The river is over that way. There's some oysters beds here. Looks a bit shallow. But we'll give it a try. I need to catch a fish so I don't have to do a ballerina. Hey, does that count?
Intracoastal.
Where is that at?
It's kind of over by European Village,
Okay.
off of that road.
If you want to do that, we could do that. Where are we at?
Waterfront Park.
Waterfront Park, Palm Coast. See, the weekend's always a little bit crowded. It's just a little bit of river fishing.
Well, you got something.
Yeah.
Fish.
Sounds like it. But it's one of those old ugly.
Puffer fish?
That's a puffer right there. No, don't you touch it. Oh, don't touch it. Where's your pliers?
Little puffer. Gonna need the gloves. Where's the gloves at?
In the bucket. Ryan, buddy. Oh, that's so weird.
Yeah, probably go that way. It's like a real funky little.
There it
Oh,
is.
there you go. You want to throw it in?
No, go ahead.
All right, buddy. I'm trying to do as gentle as possible. Shoop. Well, nobody caught any fish.
You didn't catch anything?
No, no.
How was you fishing today?
Oh, no. She caught a puffer fish, and
We've just got a competition going on, so he's like, oh, you didn't catch anything.
that's what I'm trying to tell her.
Well, that's when you put a fish in a plastic bag. You take it out of the freezer, you put it in your pocket.
That's a good idea.
Next time.
You too. So what was the stakes again?
Having to twirl around like a ballerina.
Okay. All right. I guess so. Like, how's a ballerina?
Like where you.
Is it like this?
No. It would be
Charleston?
roll.
What? Twist?
No.
How does it go?
You have to jump.
How did in the 80s we used to do the
The.
oh yeah, Jeff would do that all the time. Right.
And you have to say, I'm a pretty princess.
I'm a pretty princess.
I'm a pretty princess.
Thank you. I'm here for the next 2 minutes.